Hi children, good morning. Today we are discussing about some other problems. See here, one of the problem. A domestic circuit has 5 amperes fuse. How many bulbs of rating 100 watts to 20 volts can be safely used in his circuit? Justify your answer. So here, one of the domestic circuit has 5 amperes fuse. In that circuit, how many bulbs we are using? How many bulbs we are using? From the power rating is 100 watts and voltage is 220 volts. Let us see. In given power rating of bulb is power rating of bulb is 100 watts, comma 220 volts. Here watt is power and here V is voltage. So a bulb contains have a 100 watts and 220 volts. Now the electric circuit flowing in the electric circuit flowing in the current is given by I is equals to P by V, from since power P is equals to VA formula. Power P is equals to VA formula. Now hence the domestic circuit has 5 amperes, then I is equals to 5 amperes. I is equals to 5 amperes. Now V is equals to 220 volts. So here N we have to find, then P is equals to N into 100 watts. P is equals to N into 100 watts. Therefore, since P is equals to VI, therefore N into 100 watts is equals to VI. V means how much? 220 into 5. 220 into 5. Let's see. 220 into 5 is equals to N into 100. N into 100. Therefore, N is equals to 220 into 5 by 100. 220 into 5 by 100. And 5 ones, 5 20s. Here 0, 0 cancel. 2 ones, 2 11s. And N is equals to 11. So number of bulbs of rating 100 watts, 220 volts is 11. Also is 11. So 11 bulbs of 100 watts can be used in domestic electric circuit having potential difference of 220 volts. Clear? So here number of bulbs of rating 100 watts, 200 watts is 11. So 11 bulbs of 100 watts can be used in domestic electric circuit having potential. So if I identify the some power rating is given, then we have how many number of bulbs is used in domestic circuit, then find the like this process. Okay, see one more model. A domestic circuit has 15 amps fuse. How many things of high rating power 2 kilowatts 220 volts can be safely used in this circuit? Let us given power P is equals to 2k watts, that means 2000 watts. Voltage V is equals to 220 volts. The domestic electric circuit have 15 amperes current. 15 amperes current, that means I is equals to 15 amperes. Then how many things we identified? Therefore power is equals to n into how much power rating is given? 2 kilowatts. So P is equals to n into 2000 watts. So since we know P is equals to V I, therefore n into 2000 watt is equals to 220 into 15. 220 into 15. Therefore n is equals to 220 into 15 by 2000 watts. That means here 0 cancel. Here how much? 2 11s and 2 1s are 0, 100. So that means 11 into 15 by 100. 11 into 15 by 100. So here 15 ones are 15 and 15 ones are 15 plus 16, 165 by 100. 165 by 100. Therefore it gives 100 into 165 is given 100 ones are 100 and 650 and 106 are 600. So 1.65 items. So 1.65, n is equals how much? 1.65. That means approximately 2 things. Approximately 2 things we used in domestic electric circuit fuse 15 amperes. Are you understand? So that is the important thing is in 15 amps the higher rating power can be used as the two things only. In previous problem in 5 amperes fuse have the power rating is 100 watts and 220 volts, but here the higher rating power, that means 2000 watts. How much? 2000 watts. So that's why the number of things is decreasing. The power is decreasing, the number of things is increasing. The power is increasing, the number of things is decreasing. If it is power is increase, number of things decrease. If the power is decrease, number of things is increase. So these are the main difference between in domestic electric circuit have in 15 amps and 5 amps circuit. Clear? So that's why in our homes refrigerator have only one circuit and electric oven have one circuit, and also geysers have one circuit. So it is like that. A heavy rating power can be have only one circuit. The circuit has 15 amperes. Clear? So in last two problems we observe, one is high power rating circuit and another one is low power rating circuit. So we are called as high rating power circuit can be called as power circuit, and low power rating circuit can be called as lightning circuit. Let us see what is the definition of the power circuit and lightning circuit. Power circuit: the circuit which draw heavily current 15 amps from mains used for higher power rating devices such as microwave, oven, air conditioners, geysers, washing machine, etc. So we are in homes, we are using microwaves, that is one of the 15 amp circuit. Oven, that is also one of the 15 amp circuit, and air conditioners, so they have one 15 amp circuit, and geysers, washing machine, like that, anything. So which has high power rating they have only one circuit, that is 15 amps circuit. So it must be called as higher rating power circuits. That is called a power circuit. Now lightning circuit. Now lightning circuit is the current which draw small amount of current from the mains and used for low power rating devices such as bulb, tube light, fans, TV, computer, and etc. So here the low power rating circuit have bulbs we are using, tube lights, fans, televisions, and computers, such as small things, iron boxes. So these all are, we have to use a 5 amperes circuit. So these all are having a current rating is 5 amperes. It is known as lightning circuit. So which has high power rating has been called as power circuit, and low power rating can be called as lightning circuit. So these are the two differences between high power and low power current amperes. The high power current amperes can be going on 15 amperes and low power current carrying going on 5 amperes. This is the two difference between like these things. So air conditioners, geysers, and all these things, and fans, tube lights have. So this is the two differences from the current carrying devices. Clear? Thank you.